Hello guys, you welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. Please endeavor to subscribe, like, share and comment as you are watching this video. Now this morning I've already introduced indices in our previous class, but this morning we'll be discussing questions. I'll be solving questions on indices. My previous class was based on the rules in indices. Now you have on the board 3 questions, and if time permits I can solve one, but if it doesn't, I'll pick one from these 3 and you take the others as your own personal assignment. Without wasting much of our time, let us go into what we have on the board. Now we are to simplify 4 raised power minus 1 over 2 times 16 raised power 3 over 4 all over 4 raised power 1 over 2. Fine. In solving this kind of question, okay, and the first step I'm going to be taking is I'm bringing this 4 down. That becomes 16 raised power 3 over 4 over, like this 4, as this whole expression is coming down, this minus becomes plus, becomes 1 over 2, then times 4 number 1 over 2, this 4 that was there initially. Now the next thing is to look for the square root of 16, which is this big roots of 16 all raised to the power of what? 3. Alright, all raised to the power of 3. You know, I gave us a rule. I said that if I have x raised power a over b, it is simply the root b roots x all raised to the power of what? A. Alright, this very one is from this rule. Then over, now the square root of 4 times the square root of what? 4. Now the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 16 is this square root now? Fourth root. Sorry, fourth root. Now since you have 4 here, I'll write 4, like fourth root of 16, which is written like this. Fourth root, which means that 2 raised power 4 or raised power 3 over the square root of 4 is 2 times the square root of 4 is what? 2. Now this how is going to be. Now since I've been able to simplify like this 4, we cancel out this 4. I'm now left with what? 2 raised power 3 over what? 4. Alright, 2 raised power 3 over 4. The next step is 2 raised power 3 is 8. Then you have 4, which is what? 2. Which means that the answer to this particular question is what? 2. Alright, that is how it is. Just check the videos I've uploaded. Just look at the place I quoted that there are certain topics in mathematics you can't solve questions on without knowing the rules. And one of those topics is indices. Alright, that is a quote on the screen. So that is where I gave all the rules to solving questions on indices. Now these are some questions. I've solved question 1. What you do now is take question 2 and 3 as your personal assignment. If you just don't get it, just don't relent to place it on the comment section. Please do have a wonderful day. Remember to subscribe.